Just like the street lights lit this town.
Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we will be discussing how to install Kali Linux on a virtual machine. We will be using VMware Workstation 16 as our virtual machine. So, without further ado, let's start the video. Firstly, we need to open VMware, then
Just like the sunrise, you know that we gonna light it up.
click on Create a new virtual machine,
Light it up, baby. Tonight,
and select Installer Disk Image File, and browse for the Kali Linux ISO image that you want to install. In my case, I will be installing Kali Linux 2021.2 AMD 64-bit version. Select the Linux OS, and the Ubuntu 64-bit version, based on your ISO. Then type the name that you want for your virtual machine,
just like a spark that's
and click Next. Now select how much storage you want for your VM,
you know that
and select Store Virtual Disk as single file.
no we can't turn back now. I see
Then click Next,
days, they know we'll burn down the night.
and click Finish.
Just like the sunrise, you know that we gonna light it up. Tonight, we gonna
Just doing some final checks before we run our Kali Linux machine.
light it up. Just like the sunrise, we gonna light it up.
After setting up the virtual machine, next is to start it, just by clicking the name of your newly created VM. You can start it either clicking the play button on top, Now select the language that you want, and continue. Then select your country.
Rising with each beat of the music is bringing. We're flames in the fire that keeps burning. We're inviting the night in. Welcome, my heart so full. I'm devoting myself to the night. There's no motive. We're just listening. We're existing.
After that, type the host name you want, and continue. You can leave the domain name blank, if you don't have one. Then type the name that you want for your Kali Linux user.
Stop alone and I keep us
Set your password. Now select the guided use entire disk option, then continue. Just select the default for new users, and continue installation. After that, select Finish partitioning. And select Yes, then click Continue.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got
Then choose the software you want to install.
I see danger in us. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna
Or you can leave it as default.
tonight. We gonna let it babe tonight.
And click Continue. Installation can take about 10 to 20 minutes depending on your computer. So let's cut this for now, and return after it has finished the software installation. After the installation has finished, select the Yes option to install Grub Bootloader. Then select /dev/SDA, and continue. Let's fast forward for now. After that installation, Kali Linux is now in operational condition. You can now click Continue, and boot into Kali.
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger
Sorry, I shortly forgot the username for my Kali Linux machine, XD.
down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna let it babe tonight. We gonna let it up just like the sunrise. We gonna let it up.
Congratulations, you can now use your Kali Linux machine. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more videos.